Hello and welcome to the messy room. Two goals for today. I want to find out, number one, I want to find out what's wrong with my nephew's Mad Catz controller, why I never used it. I think it always turns to the left, it's stuck on left or something. And number two, is this PS2 to HDMI adapter gonna work, or is it a gimmick? Is it gonna actually work? Had a bit of an accident this morning. Idiot. Dropped my PS2. I was in too much of a hurry and I've cracked the memory card, but it still works. An 8 meg. The 128 meg I bought the other day to replace it with has disappeared. So I'm going to have another clean out and see where it's gone. Okay, so OBS. I love OBS. It's so much better than Elgato. I can't believe how wonderful it is. So, screen capture. Put the disc in. I don't know why, but this is so uncomfortable. I prefer the wider with your hands. Look at that! That is crap. Oh my god, the picture's a lot better. But, hello? Oh no. Don't. Come on. Don't you play up today? Right, game. Oh, that memory card doesn't have a game on it. Okay, fine. Let's play Ratchet & Clank on 3 different PlayStations. Yay! What's it record for? Is that Elgato doing that? It must be. Okay, fine. Oh, that's horrible. Why is the sound speed up? Oh, this is garbage.
The blood inside of this has an allergic reaction to swamp flies that lasts 2 turns. Ooh, it is on again.
Oh my god. I can't handle this. Oh well. Oh, I can't handle that sound. So yeah, it's a gimmick. It cost me $4. And oh, there's a USB thing on the side. What is that for though? Hang on, just let me, I've given up on that, so I'll just unplug this. I don't care about it anymore. There's a thing on the side, so something goes in there. And maybe that's for I don't know what that's for. To charge it? Hang on. Just one last idea. As for the instructions, you might be going, why don't you read the instructions? Yeah, okay. There you go. Very helpful. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just going to try one more thing. Then I'm going to render this made in China PS2 to HDMI adapter. I'm going to rule it as garbage. So I'm using my battery charger to power it, if it needs powering, I don't know. And it's just as bad. Look, well, hang on, I'll reset it just in case. Switch it off completely. Reset. Come on. All I can say is the picture is a lot clearer. It's a bit blurry actually. I'm not you again. Come on, you're the best controller I've got. I don't know if I saved it. Yeah. Okay, so oh, that sucks. Look how bad the picture is. This is just ridiculous. Nah. I'm sorry, but that is totally unplayable. That I'll let him die. No, the verdict is the sound's crap and the picture's garbage. It looks like I've recorded that onto a video cassette and played the video cassette through the video capture device. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye. Next episode, I'm gonna open up the second bit of garbage I bought from the same company and see what I can do with it. I don't know. Yeah, bye. Well, just as bad. Absolute garbage. So the audio lead doesn't plug in properly because it's in the way of the HDMI lead. I don't know what this is. It's going to my charger just in case it's needed. Everything else is, by the way, it works. By the way, even if it does work and you can get it going, it doesn't work on the big beast version, the fat. My favourite ones. My favourite one is the big fat one, because it doesn't crash, it doesn't cut off halfway through games. Whereas, I mean, I paid $3. I paid $3 for that one. I paid $20 for that. So yeah, this actually doesn't. I fixed it. I bought it for parts only, and I fixed it, and it runs perfectly, apart from the accident from the other day. But it's running fine since I fixed it. Wow, I'm really impressed. But that beast will play scratch discs, and I've got one game that is thoroughly scratched up. I posted on Reddit. I got it half working on this, but it runs fine on the fat. So anyway, this is the end of this episode. I thought I was going to upload an episode thinking I haven't done everything and maybe the audio will work fine, but let's have a listen. That is just utter garbage. Oh my gosh. Thanks for watching.